Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pizza grilled cheese. The ingredients that we're going to need today are Italian bread, Italian seasoning, pizza sauce, mayonnaise, mini pepperoni, sliced medium cheddar cheese, sliced provolone cheese, and also shredded mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, so we're going to need about 4 slices of the provolone cheese. I'm using 4 because mine are sliced thin, and 2 slices of the mild cheddar cheese. Okay, next you want to get your 2 slices of Italian bread. We're going to use mayonnaise instead of butter. It's going to make it taste better and also crispier. So we're just going to spread that out onto our bread. Once you're done, you want to heat your frying pan or your griddle up. Okay, now you want to place your bread onto your griddle or your frying pan. Next, you want to go ahead and add your cheeses on. And also your top piece of your bread. I'm going to let that go ahead and brown. Okay guys, once it browns, you want to go ahead and flip it over. Look how good that looks. Look at the cheese melting. Nice and crispy and golden. Okay, now you want to add your pizza sauce. Now we're going to put on our mozzarella cheese. And our pepperoni. Now you want to take some Italian seasoning, sprinkle over the top, and we're going to transfer this onto a aluminum foil lined baking sheet. Okay guys, now it's ready to go into our oven. Okay guys, place it in your oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes until all the cheese melts. Okay guys, so here is our pizza grilled cheese. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut into it. Here is nice and crispy. Okay guys, you can see how cheesy it is inside. Look at that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.